Hey everybody, welcome to this short little vlog today. In this video we will be swapping out some of the old unreliable components and putting in some fresh new ones. Now, if you've seen some of my recent YouTube videos, it probably hasn't escaped your attention that the video quality and the frame rate leaves a little to be desired. So we're going to address that today. Firstly, we're going to be swapping out this GPU here. This is the Asus Matrix GTX 580. This is approximately 5 years old now, and so she's showing her age. She's not really keeping up with the latest games, and modded Minecraft doesn't run very well. Also, one thing I've noticed is that the board here has actually warped due to the weight of this massive heatsink. So she sits very low on the board. You can see me just wobbling it there. Yeah, she's a bit foobar. And also the RAM, if I come over here, this is 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance memory. Now it's very good memory, very good, but we want to put in 32 gigs, and this memory here on the end, if you see, it is very wobbly. Now, there is actually a very bad connection. You can see that this is coming up now. The connection between the heatsink and the memory chips has actually basically come loose. So I don't think there's a very good heat transfer going on there, and I think that's probably contributing to some of the blue screens that we're getting. And if I compare that with this one on the end, you can see, I mean, that's got quite a wobble going on there. If I compare that to that one, yeah, no wobble there at all. So we're going to go ahead and swap these out real quick. First things first, we're going to want to take this GPU out. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so screws are undone. This thing is ready to come out. So there we have it. There's the old one. She is gone. Next thing to do is to take out the RAM. If I show you that it's come completely away now. So yeah, we need to change that because that is not good. So going in here today, we have the Corsair Vengeance memory. And there we have it, 4 sticks of Dominator Platinum memory. In she goes. And there you have it. One graphics card installed. Easy as that.